All right, here we go. Let's unbox this. I just recently received the Zcam camera from B&H, and I'm quite ecstatic to open this up and put it to use. So this is the first time I'm going to be feeling the camera. I'm going to be loving the camera. I'm going to be using the camera, and let's dive into this unboxing. So I bought the camera through B&H for $2,499 before taxes, and I heard that this pricing was a lot more, about $1,000 more, about a year ago. So the prices dropped tremendously. And the reason why I chose this camera is either this or the Blackmagic Pocket 6K. And the other reason why I chose this is because of the profile. It's boxy and it's got features that you can use to interchangeably for EF mount, PL mount, Micro Four Thirds. And the fact that you can shoot 4K up to 6K, and it's a Super 35 camera. Unfortunately, I didn't get the full frame one, which I really wanted, but that would have been another $1,800 that I would need to save up for. But this should be good enough for what we're doing. As you can see, we're actually here at Cinema Studios at the green screen, and we normally shoot with mirrorless cameras, and having this as an additional camera for our shoot will streamline our workflow even more, have options for our post-production. And from what I'm hearing, Zcam has a great customer support, and they really respond to questions or concerns, and they get back to you really fast. And that is another plus. And the reason also I chose this camera is because it can run on NPF batteries, and I have a lot of those types of batteries. And there's a Zcam. This is a quick startup guide. Some more legal stuff that they put in here. Okay. This is for power, DTAP. You can run into your brick. Here's the antenna. And let's check out the camera. Wow. Nice little small camera, but the build quality feels really good. Pure metal. And it's EF mount. Takes CFast cards on the side, and all the features and the buttons can be accessed on the left side and also on the top side, and it records here. So if you have this on a cage, definitely it'll give you more flexibility on how to control this camera and how to hold this camera. Okay, in the back, I mean, obviously I haven't figured out all the features on this camera, but there's a lot of inputs here that I need to look up on. But for the unboxing part of this, I mean, just exciting to have this camera as an upgrade to mirrorless cameras. I will show you guys future videos that we shoot, not only in the green screen, but also out in the field, and what we can capture out there. Hoping to get some nice glass that I can use with this camera. Okay, that's pretty much it in the box. Just 4 pieces. With this purchase, I was also given, which is a Condor cold shoe plate. So this came for free. And I believe you can mount that on top of the camera. So that way you can rig any kind of lighting or audio on top. So yeah, came for free. Thanks, B&H. So that's the unboxing of the Zcam E2S6. Looking forward to using this camera. Now we are going to unbox the CFast card that I purchased separately with this camera. And the CFast cards are a lot better to use than external SSDs. These are more expensive, but this particular brand was really affordable. It's a brand name that's not known, they're new, but because of the file size, they give you a good amount, and I believe it was 256 gigabyte for $150. Okay, let's see what the CFast is about. So this is the silicone 256 gigabyte CFast, and it's recommended through B&H to partner up with the Z-Cam. Okay, so that is the CFast card right there. I was hoping to use this tomorrow at the shoot here at the studio, but our shoot got canceled for tomorrow, so I might be using this on different types of shoot just to test it out. Okay, so here's the card and the case. From the reviews, it seems like a lot of the users that use this for the camera has been very happy with it. And a couple of them that review that it failed on them, and I'm hoping that this doesn't fail on me. This is a brand that I've never heard of, but I took a risk. Let's hope that lasts quite some time. So that is my unboxing for today. I will let you guys know how this camera works out, and I'm very excited to see what kind of images we produce with it. All right, I'll leave this video on this note. If you guys have any questions or comments down below, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.